Welcome today in front of me Motorola Defy, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So let's just first open the screen where you want to add the widget. For example, let's just go with this one. Just to add it, hold for a while your device home screen, then click to the widgets icon, and now we can see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, let's just add the calendar, the regular one, or the calendar schedule. We can see that we have here two different calendar stems. So just let's add the schedule one. Just hold it and drag it here to this section. For example, if you want to change the size of the widget, that's not a problem. Just hold it for a while, and after that you can make it bigger or smaller here. If you want to move the widgets on the screen, just hold for a while and drag it, for example, to this down section. Also, we can move the widgets between the screens. Just hold and drag. Or also we can create the new screens with the widgets. As you can see, that's so simple. And if you wanna just remove it, hold for a while and drag it here to remove icon. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.